Typical differences in the use of particles. In most cases, the center meaning of a particle remains from classical to the modern language. However, there are still quite a few places we can see a significant changes and developments along the long history. Some of them are quite unique. Particle ga is among the group of a case particle. Along with a number of other meanings, the basic meaning of ga is to indicate a ownership, the center meaning of no in the modern Japanese. The example here, himo ga himo, lowest class. Similarly, no is one major case particle. Again, along with other meanings, the main function is to indicate the subject of an action, the center meaning of ga in the modern Japanese. 目のとの痛く患いで his foster mother who having for a long while been very ill. We move to a different subgroup of particles. A conjunctive particle, 接続助詞, follows a declinable word and indicate its relationship to the coming statement. There are many of these words we are using both in classical and modern languages, and the center meaning remains the same. On the other hand, there are a few unique to the classical. Do is one of them. The main meaning of do is to indicate a contradictory conjunction similar to ga keredomo in modern Japanese. Pay attention that do in classical requests the perfective form for the word that do assists. One more example of a conjunctive particle, o. Although still a popular particle, o in modern Japanese is thoroughly used as a case particle and works with a noun. In classical, o also frequently used with a verb adjective in its attributive form to indicate contradictory conjunction or similar to ga no ni in modern Japanese. A sentence ending particle, 終了詞, used in the end of a sentence. We know many of them in modern Japanese, such as ka to indicate a question, ne to indicate presumption, na to indicate a command, etc. Many of them we can find in the classical language. On the other hand, quite a few they were popular in classical but basically disappeared in the modern language. Here are a few examples. Baya follows a declinable in its imperfective form and indicate a desire. Morgana, another sentence-ending particle, we do not use anymore. It follows a declinable in its continuative form, or a noun, similarly indicates a desire. So is another sentence-ending particle. It indicates a strong request or a wish. In modern Japanese, we use na in many similar situations. Find a particle which was not discussed here, place it to the proper group from the above discussion, and confirm your conclusion by looking up a dictionary.